It's great to be here with you. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the automatic concrete block cubing system. We introduce it in three aspects: function, major components, installation size, and operation display. The automatic concrete block stacking system is used for removing concrete blocks from pallets and packing the concrete blocks. It is the corollary equipment of full automatic concrete block production line. The automatic concrete block cuber system is composed of block unloading machine, block pusher, pallets collecting machine, stacking machine, automatic rotating table, and block stack conveyor. The offline palletizing system is equipped with PLC control system. The full line can keep working automatically. For the installation, automatic block packing machine will need the area 12 meters by 9 meters. Now, let us explore the operation of the machine together. Firstly, block unloading conveyor conveys the blocks to pitch conveyor layer by layer. Then pitch conveyor will convey block to horizontal block pushing machine to move the blocks from pallet. At the pallets collecting machine section, after the pallets accumulating to a certain number, they are sent out by the stacker conveyor. Blocks will be moved from horizontal block pusher to vertical one. Vertical block pusher will push the block's bottom of the cuber. Cuber will move the blocks to chain conveyor for automatic stacking. Automatic rotating table realizes automatic rotating palletizing. Lastly, the chain conveyor transports the stacked blocks out. After film wrapping or PET packing tape packaging, the forklift transfers them to the finished product storage area. That's from me. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications getting the newest video. For more information, please visit www.junctionmachinery.com.